Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. My Shut Up Wednesday video will be about an outstanding gentleman, and his name is Mike. His channel name is mikelastime. Mike is also a great gardener. He's also a beekeeper. He's he's got a wood mill. He's got also a arcade tractor. He's got various stuff, and he's got a wood shop also. Like, this is the channel where the guy is doing almost everything by himself. Like, he's got the knowledge and he's very good about everything. He's giving a lot of tips. Right now he's making starting his gardening, so he's giving a lot of tips. Transplanting his soil with blockers, pepper plant. He's got also planting seed and soil blocks, how to make them also. He's talking about this he's got a GoPro Hero 9, first time user. He's telling about that. How he uses cutting table saw. He's doing review on his new Craftsman gas leaf blower, plant tool. He's got also wood work tools. His arcade tractor is an RK24 tractor. He's talked about it. It's been it's a rural king tractor, but I don't know how long time. He's been making videos in many years now. He's got about let me check. He's got 669 subscribers. I wish that you can help him to attain that magic 1K, so we can receive some money from all these videos. He's fixing also carburetor. He talk about hands, air tools. This is the video. He's got a Norwood Lumbermate LM29 portable bandsaw mill from start to finish. He's got also a shelter built for it. I really like it the way he talk about this commercial lawn pusher. Maintenance on his Northwood. That's very rare. It's a micro precision wheel bubble balancer. How to balance his wheel but with a bubble. So that's it's been a long time since I saw that. He's got also his steel trimmer. He taught like various stuff. Radio, how to fix his radios. Oh, I can see he's got 2 years ago with his Citizen Band radio, AM radio. Also his new attachment, how to lift, like very interesting gentleman. He's got a lot of various stuff. He's very multi-facet. I mean, spectrum, and he's touching a lot of things. Like I say, only beekeeper. He's got that. He had a lot of video about that. He started 4 years ago making videos, roughly. How many videos he's got so far? He's got 102 videos. Please, I will have his video link on my video description. Go encourage that outstanding gentleman. He's straight to the point. He's got the knowledge about gardening, woodwork, tractor, like various stuff. So please go see that gentleman. And thank you very kindly for all your outstanding support. And please, just remember, especially in rough time, life is good, okay? Tell yourself that every night in front of your mirror, alright? Or in the morning. I mean, yeah, so please do take care of yourself, gentlemen. And ladies, cheers.